When planning any writing unit, teachers determine which skills they'll teach and what the end product will be. And these both impact how long the whole unit will last. Once we have that plan in place, we begin to execute the unit and quickly realize all the skills students should have learned but haven't. Within their writing, we're seeing every S get the greedy apostrophe. Subjects and verbs are not agreeing, and they're still mixing up there, and there. Many of these weaknesses fall under grammar and mechanics, and this is when I fall prey to dirty thoughts. You know, the thoughts about the teachers in the grade levels below us, when you start to think, what are they doing down there? How do the students not know this by the time they get to me? Regardless of the reasoning, students don't know those skills. So we have to plan to reteach. But wait, if you plan to reteach those skills within the unit you've already identified, that unit is going to go way longer than you anticipated. This is where embedding a couple days in between units can be so beneficial. So execute the unit, plan just as you intended, but before you start the next unit, give 1, 2, or 3 days to maintenance mini lessons. Maintenance meaning maintain, repair, attend to, or fix up. And almost always these maintenance lessons refer to grammar and mechanic errors that you noted during the writing unit. These are skills students should have mastered before you got them, but clearly they haven't. So we need to go back and maintain, repair, reteach, fix up. So when planning your writing curriculum, plan the writing units you will execute, but also plan 1, 2, or 3 days in between those units for maintenance mini lessons. Now, you cannot anticipate what the skills will be, but you can anticipate that there will be some skills. And bear in mind, secondary teachers and those of you departmentalized at the elementary level, it's possible that all of your classes don't need the same skills to be repaired.